In the narrowest definition of money, M1, savings accounts are excluded because they are blank. So in this question, we're asked to explain why savings accounts are excluded from the M1 definition of money. So to begin with, let's highlight three characteristics of money. The first is that they are a medium of exchange, meaning that they can be used in exchange for goods and services. Two, that they are a store of value, meaning that money stored now has a value in the future. And three, they are a unit of account, meaning that they can be accurately measuring the value of certain goods or services. So, option choice A says they are not a medium of exchange. This seems to be the correct answer because savings accounts are not a medium of exchange, meaning that they cannot be used in exchange for goods or services. So A seems to be the correct answer. B. Not insured by Federal Deposit Insurance. This is incorrect because savings accounts are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance, but nevertheless, this one excludes savings accounts from being a narrow part of money supply. So B is incorrect. C. Available from financial institutions other than banks. This is incorrect because this isn't a factor that would exclude savings accounts from being excluded as a definition of money. So C is also incorrect. D. A store of purchasing power. This is incorrect because savings accounts are a store of purchasing power because when you store your money into these accounts, they hold their value into the future. So D is incorrect. E. Interest-paying accounts. This is incorrect because because savings accounts are interest-paying accounts doesn't exclude them from being part of the M1 money supply. So E can be eliminated, and therefore the correct answer is A.